Hi guys. So I decided to give my room a makeover. This is what it looks like now. I got this fabric from Walmart. I got 3 yards. The pillowcases are a yard and a half, or a half a yard each, and the curtains are 2 yards. Right here I am putting up some foam board that I got from Walmart because I'm going to put contact paper over it, and I'm going to use some hot glue and some different things, and I didn't want to mess up the walls. Now the contact paper can go directly on the walls, but since I was going to be using hot glue and other things, I didn't want to mess the walls up because I am renting. This is my little helper. He's busybody. But yeah, right here I'm just now I'm putting up the contact paper. It was hot. My room is kind of up high, and y'all know heat rise. And my butt is juicy on this video. But anyway, that's besides the point. But here I'm putting up the contact paper, and you have to be really careful with this and smooth it out and just go a little bit at a time because it will have bubbles in it. That's what you see me doing right here. This was kind of my first time using contact paper, so it took me a minute to get all of it up there. I'm sweating, y'all. I'm tired. Yeah, y'all can see I'm tired, fat and tired. I had to take a break. But yeah, I'm just smoothing it out, making sure there are not air bubbles and that everything's even. A lot of times when I get busy like this, or I go to redecorating or cleaning or something, I'm trying to keep myself from going into a depressed state. It helps me out to keep myself busy. And my room was just boring. So here's what it looked like, the top part. Now I'm going to add these glitter sheets. They're foam sheets. I got these from Walmart. And I'm going to use the spray glue adhesive to put them up on that foam board. That's what you see me doing right here. And really I should have sprayed it and let it sit for a minute or two and then put it up there. But I went ahead and put it up there anyway, and it took forever to stick. So I kept having to rub over it. And this is the last one going up. I had to do that for a minute, y'all. It took forever to kind of dry. Now right here is the finished result. I added contact paper to the bottom, and I also added some gold tape across the top in the middle of the paper. It gave a different look. To be honest with y'all, I didn't know where I was going with this look. I never know where I'm going or what I'm going to do until I actually start on the project. But it's looking good so far. I added my projector screen and stuff back up there. And this is what the room looked like before again. And this is after. I absolutely love the finished results. I'm thinking that I need something at the top up there. I feel like an empty space up there at the very top. This little light tree right there, I made that as well. But here's the finished result. I think this might have cost me maybe $50. You guys please like and subscribe.